I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can start receiving PR packages. Happy December, YouTube. I missed you guys so much, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily. Hello if you're new. Feel free to go ahead and subscribe, turn on that bell icon for those push notifications. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how exactly I get PR packages as a smaller or micro influencer without a lot of followers. So if this is something you want to do or learn how to do, go ahead and follow along. So without further ado, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can start receiving PR packages. So these include makeup, shoes, hair, and even jewelry. First way you can start receiving PR packages is through a company called Influenster. So this company is an app that was created to help consumers learn more about products that have launched and that are launching currently. So it's kind of like a giant review platform. So anyone can sign up for this. It is absolutely free to sign up for, and all they want in exchange for sending you packages is your honest review on the products. So once you go ahead and sign up into your profile, you create, what you like. So they have a whole bunch of brands that they work with. So anywhere from like food, jewelry, skincare, hair care, a ton of makeup brands. Even if you have kids, I know they have some like mom packages or baby packages that they send for parents to review. So it's a really great company, and they honestly have done a lot for me personally as a small influencer. I think I possibly signed up for this website maybe like a year ago, and I've already received about like 7 to 10 boxes of free product that I can immediately use. And the great thing about these products is they are all full size. I actually have some boxes here with me today. I'll kind of show you like stuff they've sent me in the past, so you know what you could receive. So one box they sent me was this Bounce foundation box. It had a full-size beauty blender in it, as well as like the micro cleaner and a full-size beauty blender foundation. It was super cool and free. All I had to do was just review it on that site. And I've also received some Rimmel London packages, as well as e.l.f. cosmetics. So lots of concealers and foundations. And the newest box they actually just sent me is this winter/holiday skincare box set. So I'll kind of open it up and show you what's in it, because this is brand new. So this is like what it looks like. I've kind of already been through it, so it's not as pretty, but I'll show you. So they sent me like a full-size moisturizer. It's kind of hard to see, but it's really pretty. It has like rose gold. You can even open it up because I haven't seen this yet. Looks like that. Super pretty, super cute. I seriously can't wait to try these products out. In this box, they also sent me a retinol eye cream. So I have to try that, as well as this biotin hairspray. It's essentially like a big winter skincare rescue box. And then this VDL satin face primer for makeup, and a Moroccan oil hair deposit pouch, which I'm so excited to use this. It's the color rose gold. So I'll definitely be having fun with that for New Year's. But yeah, like I said, this is free to go ahead and sign up. Some pro tips on how to get bigger boxes, or how to get boxes in the first place, is I'll include a code below. It's my personal referral link, so go ahead and sign up for that when you make your profile. And what I learned is review a ton of products that you like, already love, or own. As soon as I started reviewing more products on the app, I received more PR boxes. So just do that, and if you receive a box, make sure you complete all their badges or requirements so that they can send you more in the future. The second tip I have kind of came across to get PR boxes as a smaller influencer is working with local brands. So brands that are local to your city, state, or even community. Just do some research, Google small boutiques near me or small shops near me that sell clothes or jewelry, makeup, whatever you're into. Kind of find that niche and reach out to those companies. Ask them, hi, I'm a small influencer and I really love your clothing styles. I was wondering if you could possibly want to do a collab with me. So kind of DM smaller brands or local brands on Instagram and kind of tell them, you know, I love your style. Do you want to reach out and do a collab? I can share some clothing with my followers. In exchange, you can send me some product. So that's another way that I've received some packages from different small companies as well. So I'll just reach out to them, do some research, and so they've actually sent me a couple of boxes. One of the companies I work with is Lark and Meadow. They are based out of, oh my gosh, Lincoln City, Oregon. And they have the cutest little retro clothes. So that's how I found that company. Is I was browsing Instagram and smaller boutiques, and I came across their site, messaged them, and they were like, sure, I love your feed. Of course we can do a collab. And then they sent me some really cool stuff. So that's a second way that you can get some clothes or PR packages from smaller companies. All right, YouTube, here we are. Finally, the third and final way you can get packages as a small micro influencer. I wanted to say thank you so much to sticking around and watching my channel until this time. I really hoped you enjoyed some of my tips so far, and I'm so excited to show you this third part. And as a special thank you, I'm gonna be unboxing 2 recent PR packages that I just received, and I'll do a little try on haul for you guys as well. So the first package I'll be unboxing or unwrapping for you guys today is from Sadie Hall Boutique, at Sadie Hall Boutique on Instagram. Go ahead and follow her clothing. She has the cutest stuff. And this was one of the smaller brands that I had talked about working with. I actually emailed Sadie Hall and she ended up sending me a little package, and let's go ahead and read what she says. Emily, thanks for reaching out to me. I hope you love your new goodies. I'm so excited to work and grow with you. And go ahead and use my code Emily10 for 10% off when you order through Sadie's. Thank you. Let's see what's inside. So the first thing she sent me is, oh my gosh, this adorable cardigan. So it is white, orange, and navy blue at the bottom. That is so cute. I can't wait to go ahead and try that on. And then we have a couple more goodies in here as well. And next I received, oh my gosh, these adorable jeans. These are so cute, and I cannot wait to create some content with those. Thank you again, Sadie Hall Boutique. So I kind of got crazy and already opened the package, so I'm not going to be showing that. But this is an adorable silk tank top with lace trim and an adjustable back. This is from Moods Clothing by Emma Jackman, and I'll go ahead and link that boutique on Instagram below, but they have the daintiest, most adorable little pieces. So I'll go ahead and do a try on haul for those that I just received. So I guess it's a lot easier to get packages from Influenster and small companies, but now I'm going to talk about how you can kind of reach out and start working with bigger brands if you have a small following. What I do is I will email brands, I'll reach out to them, companies that I really like and companies that I really vibe with their feed on Instagram. I'll go ahead and send them an email, a professional email that says a little bit about myself, my Instagram style, and asking if they want to collaborate with me. So this works really, really well. Actually, from doing this, I've received about 7 to 10 PR packages alone just by reaching out and putting myself out there. I have faced a lot of rejection. It's not easy. Of course, there's going to be brands that say, you know, I'm sorry, you do have too small of a following. We only work with influencers over 10K, and that's totally going to happen. I mean, someone's always going to be higher up on that influencer scale than you, so nothing to worry about, but this is what I've learned has worked for me. Another pro tip about messaging larger brands is you do have to be more business professional, really put yourself in the best light and really display the products in the best light you can as well, because they're a business. They operate like a business. When they send you products, they want to sell their products, of course. So in sending packages to an influencer, what they do is hope to create more business revenue and volume. So when you work with larger brands, just make sure you're being completely honest and upfront with them, and just be really professional as well, be on your best behavior. So some larger brands that I've actually worked for have been Booty Bag or Bootay Bag, Swim Song & Co, and Addie's Jewels. I'm wearing one of her necklaces right now. It is rose gold in the, I think it's like gothic numerals necklace style. So cute, and they have so many cute little holiday jewelry on their website. If you want to order for someone on your wish list, I would seriously check out Addie's Jewels. Sorry, Postmates just got here with Applebee's. Sorry. Okay, we're good. Don't have anything in my teeth. Well, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I am so happy to be back on this channel creating content for you guys. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Hi, hello, thanks for sticking around. I really hope you guys enjoyed that content and learned something new. If any of these methods work and you decide to try them for yourself, just comment down below, and I want to see what kind of cool packages you guys receive.